Which gaming PC case is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Darkrock EC2. The Darkrock EC2 priced at just $54.99. What really caught my eye was the tempered glass side panel that lets you show off your rig. If you want a budget-friendly case that makes your hardware shine, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The meshed front panel is designed for efficient airflow, which means your components stay cool during intense gaming sessions. Plus, it supports a whopping 8 fans and has room for a 360mm radiator. That's crucial if you're planning to beef up your cooling game. The compatibility with various motherboard sizes like ATX and Micro ATX also ensures that this case fits most setups, making it a flexible choice for future upgrades. Now, some people complained about the lack of included fans. Here's the thing though, while it only comes with one pre-installed fan, that gives you the freedom to choose the cooling setup that suits your specific needs. Just keep in mind that if you're looking for a plug-and-play solution, you might want to grab a few extra fans. This is perfect for you if you like showcasing your hardware and want a case that can handle future upgrades without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a fully loaded case right out of the box. For $54.99, it's a solid value. Now, if the single fan setup bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L. The Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L retailing at $39.99. This compact case is super appealing, especially with its adjustable I/O panel and perforated design for airflow. If you want something small but powerful, this is definitely worth a serious look. What's great about this case is its ample interior space for Micro ATX and Mini ITX motherboards, which means you can easily expand in the future. It accommodates a CPU cooler with a height of 159mm and GPU cards up to 360mm, which is impressive for a case of this size. Plus, the magnetic dust filters are a nice touch, keeping your components cleaner for longer. This means less maintenance and better performance over time. Now, some users have mentioned that cable management can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and plan your build, you can definitely make it work. The transparent side panel also helps with visibility, so you can show off your neat setup. This is perfect for you if you're into compact builds and need something easy to manage without sacrificing performance. Skip this one if you have larger components or prefer an ultra-spacious case. For $39.99, it's a steal for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for advanced cooling needs. Product number 3, Corsair 4000 DRS RGB. And let me tell you, this case has some serious features. The modular design caught my attention. It can grow with you. If you need flexibility and style, this is worth considering. What really sets this apart is the 3X pre-installed ARGB fans that not only look great, but also offer near-silent operation during low loads. This means less distraction while gaming. The InfiniRail mounting system allows you to customize fan placement for optimal airflow, which is essential for keeping your components cool during those long gaming sessions. Plus, the 3D Y pattern airflow panel minimizes any airflow restrictions, so your GPU can shine under pressure. However, some users noted that the installation can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the customization options are absolutely worth it. Just take your time with the setup. This is perfect for you if you want a customizable case that grows with your needs. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward, no-fuss setup. At $89.99, it's a fantastic investment for serious gamers. Now, if customization isn't your thing, the next case is straightforward but powerful. Product number 4, NZXT H5 Flow. The NZXT H5 Flow, priced at $79.99. This case caught my eye with its high airflow design and smart layout. If you're serious about cooling and cable management, this one is worth checking out. The exceptional cooling support is a game changer, with space for a 360mm radiator in the front and a 240mm radiator on top. The ultra-fine mesh panels on the top, front, and sides promote maximum airflow, which is crucial for keeping your system cool during intense gaming. Plus, it comes with 2 pre-installed quiet fans that provide solid performance right out of the box. Some users have mentioned that the lack of RGB lighting is a downside. Here's the thing though, if you're more into performance than flashy lights, this case is perfect for you. It prioritizes functionality over aesthetics, which can be a breath of fresh air. This is perfect for you if you want a streamlined case that focuses on cooling and organization. Skip this one if you want a flashy build with lots of lighting. For $79.99, you get solid performance with excellent airflow. Now, if you want a case that really shines with lighting, let's talk about our last option.
Product number 5, Feufgen F600. We have the Feufgen F600, available for $69.99. This one stood out because of its panoramic glass design and 7 pre-installed ARGB fans. If you want to build a show-stopping rig, this is definitely worth your attention. The dual-chamber design is not just for looks. It separates the hardware for better thermal performance and cable management. The pre-installed fans offer great cooling potential, and you can accommodate 3 360mm radiators. This is fantastic if you're planning a high-performance gaming setup. Plus, the tempered glass panel showcases your hardware beautifully. However, some users have pointed out that the build quality feels a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, the stunning design and cooling capabilities far outweigh this minor drawback, especially if you're after aesthetics. This is perfect for you if you love showcasing your build and want impressive cooling. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional look. For $69.99, it's a great value considering the features. That wraps up our list of the top 5 gaming PC cases under $100. We've seen some fantastic options today. The Darkrock EC2 offers great value for showcasing your rig, while the Cooler Master Q300L is perfect for compact setups. The Corsair 4000D RS gives you customization, and the NZXT H5 Flow focuses on excellent cooling. Finally, the Feufgen F600 is a stunning choice for those who want to show off their build. Each case has its strengths, so pick one that fits your gaming needs.